Hi guys, welcome to today's video and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Leigh OnStyle. So hello to all my beauties and to all my followers and subscribers. Hello to everyone. For today's video, I want to make a short review because I'm going to be unboxing the package that I received for today. So this is from JOYAMO company, Jewerly. So this is the package that they sent me. So let's open it. Let's see. So this is the box. It includes this little card, like a thank you card, and they have a special kind of coupon that you can use, I think, when you purchase on the website. And of course, some instruction how to maintain your jewelry or take care of jewelry, and a little description regarding this JOYAMO's jewelry company. And so this is the box they sent me. Ayan, it's so cute. It says a little sparkle just for you. JOYAMO Jewerly. There you go. So very simple box. It's not too fancy or anything. A decent box. So on the box, they send me a necklace, which is really cool. So this is sterling silver, 92.5 sterling silver. So just like that. Oh, it's just a silica that fell. So this is the jewelry. This is so cute. So I believe this is 18 inches, and it says Leigh OnStyle. This is so cute. So let's remove it on the plastic so we can see clearly. Oh wow, it's kind of like the plastic is pressed and sealed through the customized infinity with my channel name. There you go. It's Leigh OnStyle. I don't know if you can see clearly. This is so cute. Oh my god. The customized name is not really that clear, no, but you know, you can still read. I just wish they put it on the opposite. This is where the Leigh, because it's gonna be Leigh OnStyle, but when I wear it, the OnStyle will be on the first. So I just wish they put the Leigh first and then the OnStyle. But anyway, this is a gift from them. They sent it to me, so I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. This is made out of 92.5 sterling silver, and you know, I really like silver so much, and this is a high quality made. The jewelry is made of high quality materials, so it's just really nice. And you know, I like silver, and in a simple way, it's easy to take care of your sterling silver jewelry. Just wearing it by itself, it helps you protect the silver actually, because not probably everybody knows that our skin oil helps protect our silver jewelry. The oil that comes from our skin, except when you put lotion or perfume, that's chemical, so that's gonna tarnish our silver. But just wearing it, it maintains the shine of our silver jewelry. So let's wear it. So when you wear it, it has like a adjustable loops that if you wanna wear it a little bit longer, you can adjust it, but it's up to you. I want it a little bit in the middle of my chest so you can see. So pretty. I don't know if you can see, but it's so pretty. Yeah, and it's very flat, so it doesn't move that much. So I really like it, no? And it's not only for the necklace, they also have a custom-made ring, earrings, or bracelet and anklets, and they also made gold-plated ones, which is really high quality, so you don't have to worry about chipping, tarnishing, or fading. So they have some really good quality jewelry. So if you want to check the website, I will put the link on my description box so you can check it out and shop and look for any kind of jewelry that you want to be custom made. And honestly, this personalized jewelry is a great gift idea for your loved ones in any occasions. So what are you waiting for, guys? I hope you're gonna check out the JOYAMO Jewerly, and if you want to avail on their website, you can always use OnStyle 30, so you can get a 30% off on any jewelry or custom-made jewelry that you will avail on their website. So I hope you will check it out, guys, and let me know what you think about their jewelries. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and kindly hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Hanggang sa muli, I'll see you on my next one. Have a blessed day and stay beautiful. Bye!